What bank is associated with Relay Financial? Hook. Have you ever wondered what bank is associated with Relay Financial? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll answer that question and explore the other financial institutions that work with Relay. Introduction. Relay Financial is a fintech company that provides a variety of financial services, including lending, investing, and insurance. The company is headquartered in San Francisco, California, and has been in business since 2015. Relay Financial is not a bank, but it does work with a number of banks to provide its services. Main content. What bank is associated with Relay Financial? Relay Financial does not work with a single bank. Instead, it partners with a number of different banks to provide its services. This allows Relay to offer a wider range of products and services to its customers. Some of the banks that Relay Financial works with include Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Citibank, USAA, Capital One. What other financial institutions work with Relay Financial? In addition to banks, Relay Financial also works with a number of other financial institutions, including credit unions, investment firms, insurance companies. This allows Relay to offer a more comprehensive suite of financial services to its customers. How does Relay Financial work with its partners? Relay Financial uses a technology platform to connect its customers with its partners. This allows Relay to offer its services quickly and efficiently. What are the benefits of using Relay Financial? There are a number of benefits to using Relay Financial, including access to a wide range of financial products and services, quick and easy application process, competitive rates, excellent customer service. Conclusion. Relay Financial is a great option for anyone looking for a comprehensive suite of financial services. The company is not a bank, but it does work with a number of reputable banks and other financial institutions. This allows Relay to offer a wide range of products and services at competitive rates. If you're looking for a reliable and convenient way to manage your finances, Relay Financial is a great choice. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about Relay Financial, please visit our website or give us a call. We would be happy to answer any questions you have. Outro. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content.